Hey everybody, Jamie from the Marine Doctors YouTube channel, and today we're going to talk about maintenance and if maintenance is really needed, because I know, and you guys all know, that there's this guy at the lake who doesn't do any maintenance at all and his boat seems to last forever. So we have to ask ourselves, are we supposed to be spending, or is it mandatory for us to be spending our hard-earned dollars to make our engines last longer when this guy gets away with, well, spending nothing? It's a thought, isn't it? But there is always that guy. I hear it every day where people come in and say, oh, I haven't spent anything on my boat for like 10 years. It owes me nothing. Maybe it's about time I treat it to an oil change, or maybe get the water pump done. Which, the water pump, it leads me to a story. Now, a while back, or let's back up, sorry, let me restart. The manufacturers now claim you can make 3 years on a water pump, and then you should change it. It's in the maintenance schedule of the newer engines that come out. So let's just put that across the board and say that applies to all engines now, 3 years on an impeller, okay? So what they're stating is they expect it to last for 3 years and then maybe degraded performance after 3 years, or do we just change it? I suggest we just change it just to be on the safe side. Anyway, excuse me. A customer comes in, or sorry, he phoned in, and an insurance company guy phoned in about this same engine a while back. And this engine had failed on the water due to the water being not circulating through the engine due to a failed water pump. So the one guy that owned the boat, he claimed that maybe it picked up a plastic bag, right? And covered up the water intakes, or weeds covered up the water intakes, and then burnt out his engine. And I said, well, what are his records? What does he show for maintenance? And the guy said, well, the insurance guy says, well, he hasn't changed his water pump since 2000 and I think it was 13. So it was like 13 years ago that he'd done the maintenance on that particular item, the water pump impeller. Well, if the manufacturer says that, hey, you should do it every 3 years, maybe that's reason enough to have actually done that in the first place, right? So I guess what I'm getting at is, because he didn't do that change inside of that, well, every 3 years, he doesn't really have a leg to stand on, because he can't prove that a plastic bag covered up the intake. He can't prove that weeds got in there, and there's no evidence of sand. So he's past what the manufacturer believes that water pump should last for, or the impeller should last for. Therefore, you come to the conclusion that the water pump failed. Ideally, he probably started out of water, a whole bunch of abuse that people do, right? They run it on water muffs, they don't have the water muff sealing correctly, they fire it up in the driveway to show their buddy how well it starts. All of these things come into play, but what lost it for him was the fact that he didn't change the water pump impeller. He didn't keep up with his maintenance. So the insurance company just said, no. Had you done your maintenance, we could expect that impeller would have lasted, or inside of those 3 years. We don't expect a failure inside of that 3 years. Therefore, he lost his claim, lost his engine, or had to fix it himself, or whatever he had to do. I don't know. I didn't really hear too much from him for later on. But still, there's that. Now, oil changes, they state, well, every 100 hours or every season. Well, here in Saskatchewan, I don't think anybody gets 100 hours on anything. I don't even think they spend 100 hours on the water, let alone 100 hours of operating their engine. So when someone comes in for winterizing and they ask, well, should I get my oil change? Well, it's a season, right? Well, but I only started in the driveway. I didn't even use it. But I think there's that question, or that statement that, well, you activated the oil, or the cleaning additives and all of that stuff. I think that's the argument that we're supposed to use. So you're supposed to change your oil every season, irregardless of the amount of time you put on it. But they argue, well, it's bright gold, it's clean, it's this. Well, again, if the maintenance records have to be brought up, and the statement is, well, I didn't change it for 3 years, but I never used it, but the engine was always sitting there open to moisture and everything else that can get at that oil while the engine just sits. So there's always that. We could always have the fact that maybe the oil is degrading over time even as it sits. That's a question. It's not a statement. So no one go off on me for that. I again, in chemistry, I should have paid closer attention. Gear oil changes. Again, if the automotive industry is able to go 50,000 miles or 50,000 kilometers without changing the differential oil, why can't we go for that extended period of time with our gear oil inside of our gear cases? I know that the new gear oils hold up really well, and they have emulsifiers and tactifiers. If water gets into the gear case, they help to keep that water away from the moving components. But does that still mean we can leave it in longer? I think the maintenance schedule is, I want to say 3 years on that stuff too, or every season. I would do it every season anyway, just to check and make sure. But I do know that the new gear oils hold up a lot better. And if a person was a little less diligent in changing that gear oil, you're probably safer. Not safe, safer. But if water gets in, you still want to change it, and you still want to find out why that water got in and replace those seals if necessary. So, what do you guys think? Maintenance? I know the answer. Maintenance, you have to do maintenance. But it still comes down to, and I'll leave you guys with this, what about that one guy at the lake that says he never does it and his engine's made 25 years? How do you explain that? Anyone got any guesses? Was he lucky? Did he hardly use the boat? Is he a liar? There's always that too, right? Anyway, you guys think on that? Like, subscribe, comment below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.